Customizing your footer and header is easy. For the header, simply hover your mouse over your block and the settings will appear. Click on Menu Style. From here you can test all available menu styles until you find the one that suits you best. Don't forget to save your changes as soon as necessary. For more precise settings, go to Main Configuration. To choose how to display your main menu in relation to the header, above, to the side, on top, etc. You also have the option of not displaying the menu on the header, but replacing it with a hamburger. This means that only 3 small bars are displayed on the header, and when you click on them, your menu appears. Further down, you'll find more detailed settings for configuring margin size, spacing, and so on. Everything is customizable. You can choose to display your social networks in the header or in the footer by pasting the links to your networks directly. Choose a content footer, click on your preferred one, and click on the one you prefer to install it. You can modify certain elements directly on the footer, otherwise click on the cogwheel icon to access the other settings. Another important point, if you go to Settings, then Settings under Page, you can choose how your menu is displayed. Further down, you can decide whether or not to display your headers and footers on your homepage.